What up, guys? It's day 567. Yes, day 567 without the GTA 6 release and without the GTA 6 trailer number 2. And today we got nothing new about the GTA 6 release and nothing new about the GTA 6 trailer number 2. And today I'm gonna test Future Freeze from Prime, from KSI and Logan Paul. Let's start and test it before the GTA 6 release and the GTA 6 trailer number 2. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's do it! Camera in the right position. Let's go. Yes, in the bag I got some toilet paper. The gooners will know why. And now let's test it. Okay, open the bottle.